Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about addition reactions of alkynes. So, first one is hydrogenation. Hydrogenation, in which addition of hydrogen occurs, and we will take the simplest alkyne, that is ethine, that will react with nickel at some temperature in the presence of hydrogen molecule, and this hydrogen molecule will break the pi bond, and this will ethine will convert into two bonded ethylene, and then the procedure will repeat in the presence of nickel and some temperature and hydrogen molecule. Then the firstly, ethine means triple bonded carbon will convert into ethane, single bonded carbon. The other example is propine, three carbon molecule or compound. Then the same process will occur in same condition. Then the three bonded carbon will convert into two bonded carbon, and then the process will repeat, and the two bonded carbon will convert into single bonded carbon, uh, and the propine will convert into propane, means the alkyne will convert into alkane. Next is hydrogenation. So the reduction of alkynes to transalkenes using sodium and ammonia, liquid ammonia. Uh, so the reaction proceeds via two single electron transfer from sodium to alkyne, each followed by the protonation with ammonia. So in this reaction, we will take an alkyne, then it will react with sodium and liquid ammonia. The sodium will transfer electron to the compound alkyne, and the ammonia will transfer its proton, means hydrogen positive ion, to the alkyne. Then the triple bonded will convert into two bonded carbon carbon bond, and uh, we will uh, we will have the final product is transalkene. In this condition, there will be the product of transalkenes, not the cis alkenes. Okay. Next is hydrohalogenation, means addition of hydrogen as well as halogen. So in this reaction, we will take an alkyne, and in the presence of hydrogen halide, it will convert into vinyl halide, and then further reaction will proceed. The first is alkyne, means triple bonded carbon to carbon atom, and then we will when react with hydrogen halide, the hydrogen and halide will attached to the carbon triple bond, and the one pi bond will break, and further reaction of the vinyl halide with hydrogen halide, then the resultant product is geminal dihalide, means same carbon will contains same group on it, means single carbon has halogens attached to it, then the double bonded carbon will convert into a single bonded carbon. Next one is hydration. Hydrations mean addition of hydro water, and we will take a catalyst, hydrogen sulfide, and the uh, reaction will proceed by an alkyne. This is three carbon compound that will be named as propine, and we will react with react this compound with water. As you know, this is the hydration reaction. And the other compound, we will take it as a catalyst, which proceed the reaction, and we will get a product. The one the product is anol, that contain the carbon that is not a terminal carbon, and it will attach a hydroxyl group. The first one is enol, and the other product is ketone. That ketone, the carbon in the compound, that is not a terminal carbon, and it will forms two bond with oxygen, that will form a ketone. uh, we will get both the product, but the enol and ketone can be reversible. And the other example is acetylene, and it will react with water, and in the presence of some catalyst, such as dilute sulfuric acid and mercury. The other product is vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol means the uh, alcohol that contains double bond as well as hydroxyl group. And this compound will rearrange itself and form acetaldehyde. Means the carbon that is attached to the chain, and it is a terminal carbon. And then furthermore, it has attached to the hydrogen and oxygen. So it will be named as this group will be named as aldehyde. Then we have two carbon compound, and we will name it as acetaldehyde. Next is halogenation. Means addition of halogen, in which in this halogenation we will study the bromination. Bromination means addition of bromine group. uh, that is a halogen. We will react the alkyne to the excess amount of halogen, that is bromine or chlorine, and in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, then the product is 60 to 70% uh, the um, uh, this product will be the two pi bond will break, and uh, it will be replaced by the halogens. All the positions will be covered by the halogen. There is no other addition will be possible. And the other is when we will change the condition, the product is are rather different to the upper one. When we react the alkyne with small amount of halogen, and in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, then we will get a minor and major product with carbon to carbon double bond. And in this reaction, one pi bond will break, but at the other reaction, that is the upper reaction, we have used excess amount of halogen. And in both the reactions, the conditions are different. And one with the excess halogen, and the other one we will use less amount of halogen. Then the product will be changed as the condition change. In second one, the last one is ozonolysis, in which the alkyne will react with ozone. Means oxygen has oxygen that has three molecule, and um, other is water. And in the presence of these compounds, it will convert into a final product. And this is the ozonolysis reaction. Today's topic is at the end, and I uh, this is the end of the lecture, and we will discuss some other points in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.